All right, check this out. This is from JJC, and this is a reusable dehumidifier. This has 70 grams of silica gels. It's portable. It's moisture absorbing. This is perfect for any gear that you might have. Toss this in there and it just keeps the moisture out of it. Great for camera gear, great for instruments. For me, in the photography world, it's great to throw this in your bag. Charge this thing up. It takes about 10 hours to fully charge. It is color coded, so when it's blue, that means it's all charged and ready to go. And then when it's pink, you'll know that it needs to be charged up again. And it takes about 10 hours to fully charge. So it depends on how humid your environment is, and then the beads will be absorbing that moisture either faster, and then once it's all absorbed in there, then it's pink, and then you charge this thing up, drying those beads out, ready to be reused again. And so it's great to have something like this instead of having to get new ones all the time. You just reuse this one. So it works, it keeps the moisture out, and it's reusable, so you gotta love that. And I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.